Hello there, second graders. Today we are going to be finishing up on our Great Wave projects. So we are going to be cutting out these waves and then attaching them to our warm colored backgrounds. So the first thing we need to do is cut out our waves, and you can see I've already gotten started here. I'm going to do the rest of this on camera for all of you. But we are going to be cutting the waves out by just tracing the outer black line. So I am not cutting the black line off. I am tracing along the black line so we still have that nice outline on our paper when we go and glue it to our warm colored backgrounds. Notice with my scissors, I am opening up the mouth all the way before making my cut. All right, and now that I have cut out my cool colored waves, I'm going to place them on my paper. Now you get to decide which way you would like your waves to be stuck to your paper. So I have two options here. I could go like this and have the red be at the top, or I could flip my paper the other way and have my yellow be at the top. I really liked the way that this looked with the red on top, so I'm going to go this way and I'm going to attach my waves with the red on top, and it is up to you what you want to do. Now, if some of you are not finished with your warm colored backgrounds and you maybe just have one color left, it might be a good idea to set your waves on and see if that is covered by your waves, and then you may not even need to fully finish painting your backgrounds, okay? So once we line this up, we're gonna make sure that our edges are lined up on both sides and the bottom needs to be lined up as well. Now we are using glue bottles today for this, so what is our rule for glue? What do we say? Dot, dot, not a lot. So I'm gonna open up my glue bottle here, and I am going to let the glue drip all the way down to the tip and then just make some small dots all the way around the outside of my cool waves. Dot, dot, not a lot, 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 dot, dot. Perfect. And that is all I am going to need. So now I'm going to carefully flip over my waves. And before I start pressing anything down, I'm going to make sure that everything is lined up. Again, we want the bottom lined up and we want the sides here lined up as well. So once I have that all lined up, I'm going to begin pressing. So I'm going to start on my edges. I'm going to start on this side. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to move down to this edge and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Moving to the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now moving to the top. So this side of the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then over to my big wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you have it. Now your picture is complete and can go in the drying rack.